Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making sausage, egg, and cheese egg bake with ground sausage. The perfect breakfast. Pair this with pancakes, toast, whatever your favorite is, it is excellent. We're going to start by dicing some green bell pepper. Go ahead and slice it. And then we're going to get ready to dice it into small pieces. They don't have to be super small because we're going to go ahead and place them in the pan and saute them with our sausage. We're also going to prepare some onion. We're going to dice that as well into small pieces, just like our bell pepper. And we're going to place the onion and the bell pepper in the pan with the sausage. But first, let's go ahead and break our sausage down. I'm going to keep my sausage a little cold, so that's why it was a little stiff. So keep breaking it down until it looks like that. Before your sausage is completely brown, you want to add your veggies and go ahead and saute them while you finish cooking the sausage. Alright, our sausage is almost completely brown. And as you can see, the veggies have started to soften up. So I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to whisk our eggs. You can add a little bit of salt and pepper to the eggs as well. And once your eggs are completely whisked, go ahead and add your meat and veggies right into a Pyrex dish. And then pour your egg mixture right in there. Mix everything together very well, and then we're going to add some cheese. This recipe calls for sharp cheddar cheese. I used a blend of sharp, cheddar jack, and Monterey. Use your favorite cheese for this recipe. We're going to mix all that together, and then we're going to add our milk. Just keep mixing. A lot of people use bread in their egg bake. You're not going to need to use any in this recipe. The milk, egg, cheese, and veggies are plenty to make it fine and make it super moist. So after you have everything mixed together, it's going to look like this. And then you want to completely seal your Pyrex dish with foil and get ready to prep it for the oven. Place your egg bake in the oven and bake it for about 45 minutes. That's all that you need. And when you take it out, it will look like this. Grab your toast, your pancakes, whatever you want to eat with your egg bake, and you have a complete meal. We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Before you leave, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.